Prepare the necessary tools, fix the mold on the bolts, and brush a layer of release agent on the surface of the mold. According to the size of original mold, prepare color bolts to make mold frame. As the mold is required a plaster external mold to fix it, so we should cut the color bolts in a slope line and make the bolt frame a bell shape for the convenience of taking the external mold off easily. Fix the color bolts by melt gun 2 to 3 mm away from the vacuum tank and seal up the little gap between the bolts by melt. Prepare the right amount of liquid silicone according to the size of the mold and mix it evenly with curing agent at a mixing temperature of 100 to 2 and brew temperature 25 degrees centigrade. Pour 1/3 mixed silicone into the mold frame, then take the mixed silicone to DL. The standard is subject to the manometer shows -0.1. Take out the remaining DL silicone and pour it into the mold frame. Notice the thickness of the silicone rod on the surface of the original mold should be 5 cm around. DL again, the time should be less than 3 to 5 minutes. Then take out from the vacuum pump. Remove the color bolts after the silicone is totally cured in about 2 to 4 hours. Shade frame with scissors. The mold is required external mold. It needs to set up an external mold frame with color bolts. Prepare the plaster, then pour it into the external mold frame. Pull down the bolts when the plaster is drying. The drying time is about 8 to 10 minutes. Take the external mold off when the plaster is totally cured. Shade the fringe of the external mold. After shaving, then we need to cut a mold line to help for easy demolding. Till now we finished the small part of the mold, then we'll go on the other part of the mold. Brush a layer of release agent on the surface of the mold. Take some liquid silicone rubber, add 2% curing agent of amount of silicone and mix them evenly. Brush a layer of silicone rubber on the surface of the mold. Then take the remaining silicone and the mold to DL. After vacuuming, brush a second layer of silicone rubber. When the second layer of silicone is cured, brush the third one. Color gold on it when the surface-linking reaction works, and use the brush to avoid any interstices. Brush the first layer of silicone rubber evenly. After the silicone rubber is cured, snip surface gold. High up the clay and smooth the surface of the clay with your moistened fingers. Remove the surface clay to form the approximate shaped clay. The up and below of the mold should be parallel. Make 2 tunnels about 6 to 8 away from the mold to avoid the dislocation between 2 pieces of external plaster mold. Make a frame with color rolls and strap with rubber bands. Pour the liquid plaster into the frame. Loose the rubber band, pour off the color balls, turn the mold over, remove the clay, brush the butter on the surface of the plaster, and then make another external plaster mold. When the plaster is dry, remove the cardboard, shave plaster outer mold, pour off the external plaster mold, peel off the silicone rubber mold. Till now the processes are finished, and please note that it's better to take the finished mold into production after 24 hours.